Dropshipping has always been attractive because of low startup costs, but the reality is it's also very repetitive. You're constantly writing product descriptions, replying to customers, updating listings, and it adds up fast. So what AI allows you to do is remove a lot of the manual workload. Instead of doing everything yourself, you can start building systems that handle those tasks for you, usually a lot faster and often more consistently. So today I'm gonna focus on how you can actually integrate AI into your workflow, and we'll focus on tools mainly on ChatGPT and Zapier. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, using AI in your dropshipping business will help automate repetitive tasks. Things like writing product descriptions or responding to common customer questions. AI can handle a huge portion of that. Secondly, there's a faster speed to market. If you can generate product pages, descriptions, and marketing content in minutes instead of hours, you can test more products faster and offer them to your customers sooner. Third, there's lower cost and higher margins. So instead of hiring support staff or copywriters early on, you can use AI to cover those roles while you're scaling. And then there's 24/7 customer support. AI doesn't sleep, so you can respond to customers instantly, even outside your working hours. And finally, smarter ads and content. AI can help you generate multiple variations of ad copy, headlines, and product angles, so you're not relying on one idea. Overall, it's about doing more faster with fewer resources. So this is where it gets interesting. I'm going to tell you about combining ChatGPT with Zapier. On their own, they're very useful. Together, they become really powerful. ChatGPT is essentially your content engine, and it can generate product descriptions, emails, and customer replies, ad copy, anything text-based. And Zapier is what connects everything together. It lets different apps talk to each other and trigger actions automatically. So instead of manually copying and pasting or doing tasks one by one, Zapier can trigger ChatGPT to generate something and then send it exactly where it needs to go. That's where you start saving serious time. We'll start off with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, if you're not familiar with it, is an AI tool designed to generate human-like text-based on prompts. So for dropshipping, it's incredibly useful for writing product descriptions, creating ad copy, generating email responses, answering customer queries, even brainstorming product ideas. The key thing to understand is that the quality of what you get depends on what you ask for. If the prompt is vague, the output will be generic, and if your prompt is specific, like tone, audience, product benefits, you'll get much more better results. So it's not just about ChatGPT, it's something about how to guide it properly. Next up, we have Zapier. So Zapier is an automation tool, and it connects different apps together. So it works using something called zaps, which are basically workflows. So for example, when something happens in one app, it triggers an action in another. So you could have a new order comes in, trigger a workflow, send data somewhere, and generate content, and then notify you. The key benefit is that it removes manual steps. Instead of checking things and doing them yourself, the system will run in the background doing all those steps for you. So when you think about how ChatGPT and Zapier should work together, this is where you can start building actual systems. Zapier will act as the bridge. It detects when something happens, then it sends that data to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then process it, whether that's writing a description, generating a reply, or creating content. Then Zapier takes that output and sends it wherever it needs to go. So instead of you doing the task, it becomes trigger, AI, output, done. And that's the kind of shift that you're aiming for. Some examples that businesses would use AI, one would be you could automatically generate product descriptions when you add a new product to your store. You could auto reply to customer inquiry with AI generated responses that still feel human. You could generate ad copy variations and send them straight to marketing workflow, or even create email follow-ups automatically after a purchase. None of this requires constant input from you, just once to set it up. And that's the real value of it. It frees you up to focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. Let's be honest about the advantages. Firstly, it's fully custom automation. You can build automations that match exactly how your business works. Secondly, it works across thousands of apps, so you're not locked into one system. And most importantly, it saves a massive amount of time because you're not doing the same task over and over again. If you're serious about scaling, this is the kind of setup that allows you to do that without burning out. But it's not perfect. There is a little bit of a learning curve, especially with Zapier. You need to understand how workflows connect. Also, prompt quality matters when you're using ChatGPT. If you don't guide ChatGPT or any other AI platform that you're using, like Claude, the output won't be great. And sometimes you still need to tweak things. So it's not like a set it and forget it forever system. But once it's working properly, the time saved easily outweighs the setup effort. So alongside ChatGPT and Zapier, there are also platforms like AutoDS. AutoDS focuses specifically on dropshipping operations, things like product sourcing, order fulfillment, and price monitoring. So while ChatGPT and Zapier handle content and automation workflows, AutoDS can handle the operational side of the business. So if you used all of these together, you're essentially covering both sides, operations and automation. The main takeaway here is that AI isn't replacing your business, but it can be used to enhance it. And if you use it properly, you can move faster, you can reduce your workload and scale more efficiently. And the earlier you start integrating these tools, the bigger the advantage you'll have over competitors who are still doing everything manually. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like and let us know in the comments what ways that you think AI automation can help you with your business. If there's any other questions you have, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.